Hey everybody. Last week when we posted our rig tour of our 2008 Roadtrek 190 Popular, we got some questions about the fantastic fan that we have in our rig. And it's no wonder considering how much Jesse's saying its praises.
Before we leave the hallway, I want to point out one more thing, and that is our fantastic fan. That's great because for a couple reasons. It allows a lot of airflow in through the van, especially on hot days. It can go both directions, pull air in or send air out. And especially when you're taking a shower, as you can see, it's right in the middle of that shower track. So while you don't want it on while you're taking a shower because it would suck the shower curtain in on you, it's super handy when you're done taking a shower to get the moisture out. So we really like having that fantastic fan, and especially the one with the rain sensor on it. So if we leave it open and it starts to rain, it will close on itself.
The fantastic fan we have installed in our rig now is not the original equipment. There was a fantastic fan in here, but it was the original model from 2008. So it didn't have some of the features that the more modern fans have. It was a manual crank to open it up. It had a thermostat that was just a simple dial that went from hot to cold. And it really only had 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. When the thermostat died on it, it was time to replace it. And we thought if you're going to go through the trouble of replacing the fan, we might as well upgrade it at the same time. So we went with the newer model that does have a remote control. It has a rain sensor. It's variable speed. It's reversible. It has a digital readout on the remote for the temperature that you're setting the thermostat at. They've made a lot of improvements over the years. Doing the replacement was actually quite simple because Fantastic Fan makes their fans so that you can do a direct replacement from an older model to a newer model. So I wanted to put together a real quick montage of when I did the replacement. Now, this is not a do-it-yourself video. This is not a how-to video. I just wanted to show you the highlights because I want people to understand that it is a really simple process overall. And I think when people look at doing things like replacing the fan in their rig, they're thinking, well, it involves electric, it involves a hole in the roof, there's sealant to deal with, and it's going to be a potential problem in a lot of different ways. The reality is, I think Fantastic Fan does a great job of making it as simple as possible, and I think anybody can do it with a few simple tools and a little bit of patience.